this museum's a little bit bigger than I thought it was at first. So, there's quite a bit of memorabilia in here for sure. Can we have some reasonable music come back, please? Can we just make some reasonably good music like they used to? That would be lovely. And my favorite in terms of memorabilia, look at this desk. That's crazy. Look at that chair. That is like, it's pretty comical. I mean, that chair is so, it reminds me of a coffin, honestly, like that chair. Kind of weird Dracula kind of vibes going on with it. And we got some old recording equipment. Oh, look at that, that's actually a speaker. 1959. Speaker that powered the movie theaters. Okay. Yeah. Interesting story behind that. What is it called? It's not Dolby. It's something like THX. THX. Yeah. If you look at the history on the THX stereo system, it was designed pretty much to improve your movie-going experience, and it really did. Not that I go to any movies anymore, but. So yeah, if you're in Memphis, I mean, it's $15 to get in. I look at it this way. I just paid $15 to look at that Cadillac, but you know, it's pretty cool. Interesting spot. If you're a music lover, then yeah, definitely. Anyway, that's it in a nutshell.